Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching the memory diagnostic tool as administrator so it can access low-level memory regions. Once done, save work and close apps. The system will restart to run the test outside the OS. Pick the test profile, standard for a quick check, extended for deeper passes. Extended takes hours but finds more issues. You should choose extended when you suspect subtle errors. Make sure to allow the restart immediately. Delaying wastes time and can miss transient faults. Once the machine reboots into the diagnostic environment, you'll see live progress and error counters. Watch them. Let the tool complete multiple passes. Memory faults can be intermittent, and one pass may not catch recurring errors. If errors appear, note the exact code and the test pass number. That detail helps diagnose whether a single module or pattern is failing. While waiting, avoid interrupting the test. If it stalls, let it run for a reasonable time before taking corrective steps. When the test finishes, the system reboots and shows results. Check the on-screen summary or the system event log for detailed error entries. If errors are reported, power down and reseat memory modules to rule out seating issues, then run the test again. To isolate a bad stick, test modules one at a time or swap slots. If problems persist, try the modules in another computer to confirm failure. If confirmed, replace the defective module. Tip: if results are inconclusive, run extended testing overnight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.